Okay, today is May 2nd, 2016. Just a real quick trade recap today. Only one trade for me. Worked out okay, though. Just a couple things to go over. So it's AG. There's some silver miner, probably a little too quote unquote real for what I like to do. But it's up, in a month. It's almost a doubler. Let me go back a little further. Yeah, 2 months ago it was $5. Today it's $10. Just really up, and it just really felt kind of toppy to me. Now I've been watching it for a little while. I think I traded it maybe once last week, but biggest reason I took it today was there was just nothing that I was that in love with today. Let me go to the 2 day or 5 day here. And all these shippers, I wasn't crazy about chasing those down. You know, SRPT, it's just, yeah, I don't know what that's gonna do. So basically, I just kind of felt this look toppy. Saw all kinds of guys, shorting, Nugget, basically going against gold. So, in essence, this is a gold play. It more or less follows it. So I just felt like, okay, I could start into this pretty early and see if it would work. And I did that. I didn't chase. It kind of dropped out of the gate. Whoops, let me go to 1 day here. And, and then I kind of let it bounce a little bit and then shorted kind of right about 1040, I think 1039 maybe dollars, not time, would have been, right around quarter to 10 or somewhere in there. But and then from there I had a plan. I posted that on Instagram. The plan was to stop out if it went green and then add if it worked, and add if it cracked that 1019 level. Well, problem was it hit that 1019 like 3 times and never cracked. I never added. So then when it finally did it in the afternoon, I didn't add either. But it's so hard with these commodity plays, like whether it's oil or gold. It's You're sitting there watching your stock, and then I'm watching Nugget, and it jumps around, and it just, I can never really get conviction. So it was an okay trade. I covered it like 10.05. It did crack 10, and I wanted a wash, didn't get it, so I covered right over 10. 30 cents I made. It's not bad, but 30 cents is, when you don't have size, is nothing great. But it was just kind of on autopilot all day. I was doing other things. I let it work. It could have. This thing. It really looked like it could have washed out. It didn't. So, I'll move on. It is what it is. It's a decent trade. Pays the bills. But considering what was on the radar for today, I'll take it. So, biggest lesson is just stick to your plan. I never let this thing go against me. I had a clearly defined stop at a key level, and I my goal was to cover into the washout under 10. It just never did. So I covered for small profits and moved on. So thanks a lot, guys.